Good morning, good day, wherever you are watching. Thank you for your support all the time as you share, like, and subscribe to my page. Obasanjo blast Buhari. You're borrowing very stupid. Why pile up debt for the next generation? Ex-President of Nigeria, Olusegun Obasanjo, has frowned at the way the federal government is taking loans, according to the ex-president. He said this borrowing for recurrent expenditure is foolish. Obasanjo said that borrowing and accumulating debt for the next generation to come is criminal. He said if you want to build a commercial house, you go and borrow money, and you have 50% of your own money, and you borrow 50%, and in 5 years you pay the 50% you borrowed. That is a wise thing to do. But if you have to go and borrow money for you to be able to feed yourself and your family, that is a stupid thing to do. So if we are borrowing for recurrent expenditure, it is the height of foolery. If we are borrowing for development that can pay itself, that is understandable. Then how long will it pay itself? But we are borrowing and accumulating debt for the next generation, and the next generation after them. It is criminal, to put it mildly. What are we borrowing for? When I came into government and was elected president, we were spending 3.5 billion to service debt. And even with that, our quantum of debt was not going down. The administration of President Buhari has borrowed a total of 21 trillion within 6 years. Data from the Debt Management Office show that at the end of March 2021, Nigeria's public debt hit a total of 33.12 trillion, which means in the last 6 years, under the president, the country debt rose by 21 trillion. At the end of June 2015, 1 month after the present regime came into power, the country's debt profile stood at 12.12 trillion. It also means that the country debt profile has risen by 173.27% within the 6-year period. Nigeria's total public debt stock includes the debt stock of the federal government, the 36 states, and the Federal Capital Territory. However, most debts were contracted from this government. Where people have started reacting from Obasanjo's comments, let's hear what they are saying. You journalists are the problem of this country. You always take side in your reporting. No professional conduct. Go for money reward. Another person said money killed them all. Another person said Ajakuta is lying down there. Nothing is done about it. Alana Steel is also lying down there. Instead of investing all this money on Ajakuta Steel for completion, they won't. May God help Nigeria. Another person said, you don't talk about the railway from Nigeria to Niger. How about that? When an illiterate is in government, that's how everybody will be complaining. APC government is full of illiterates. We don't have intelligent men in government again. Another person said, and they have used everyone to borrow 1 billion naira each. This news is so frustrating. How can your president use your name to borrow money without your consent? Now, how do you pay back 1 billion and you don't have any good work? Just pray, because you'll be sitting at home in the East, not working, never know you have an understanding of 1 billion naira. And they have used everybody to borrow 1 billion. Another person said Biafra will never be part of the payment because nothing was done in our region with the borrowed money. You are right. You don't need Yoruba. Settle with people beside you first. Enjoy Shakiri, Cross River, etc. Let's know where we are going. Well, that is the comment of people about what Obasanjo is saying about federal government borrowing. Do you think Obasanjo is right in coming out to condemn the federal government? If we have government, I believe, is a continuum, why are we borrowing now? Were there things that was left undone during his own regime that this government is trying to fix? What is your take, your comment and opinion about this? Kindly make them know your views, comments known as you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, good day, and God bless.